Hey everyone! Welcome to our adventure in Rio Grande do Sul, the southernmost state in Brazil. This amazing place was shaped by ancient forces and time itself. It shows us how powerful nature is and how strong the people who live there are. Rio Grande do Sul is famous for its interesting culture and beautiful nature. It's like a mix of Europe and Latin America, all rolled into one. Let's explore the amazing nature of Rio Grande do Sul, a place full of exciting plants and animals. Our trip starts in the middle of Rio Grande do Sul, on the huge grasslands called the Pampas. These vast expanses of land stretch as far as the eye can see, creating a breathtaking landscape that seems to merge with the horizon. These grasslands go on forever, offering a sense of freedom and openness that's hard to find anywhere else. The Pampas are not just a geographical feature, they are a symbol of the boundless spirit of the region, and they're home to a way of life that's super old. The gaucho culture, with its rich history and traditions, has been thriving here for centuries. This culture is deeply intertwined with the land, reflecting a harmonious relationship between people and nature. Here you'll find the gauchos, awesome horseback riders and herders. These skilled horsemen are the heart and soul of the Pampas, known for their bravery, resilience, and deep connection to their horses. The gauchos' way of life revolves around cattle herding, a tradition passed down through generations. They've lived on these plains for many, many years, preserving their unique customs and way of life. The gauchos' attire, including their distinctive hats, boots and bombachas, is not just practical but also a symbol of their identity, and their culture is all about the land. The gauchos have a profound respect for the Pampas, understanding its rhythms and cycles. They know how to work with the land, not against it, ensuring that their practices are sustainable and in harmony with nature. But the Pampas isn't just grass, it's a diverse ecosystem teeming with life. The flora of the Pampas includes a variety of grasses, wildflowers and shrubs, each playing a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance. Look closely and you'll see tons of animals. The Pampas is home to a wide range of wildlife, from small insects to large mammals, all coexisting in this unique habitat. Rheas, which are like South American ostriches, run super fast across the plains. These flightless birds are a common sight in the Pampas, known for their speed and agility. They play a vital role in the ecosystem, helping to disperse seeds and maintain the health of the grasslands. And the maned wolf, with its red fur and long legs, hunts for food in the tall grass. This elusive predator is a fascinating part of the Pampas' wildlife. Known for its unique appearance and hunting techniques, the Pampas might look simple, but it's full of life. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, every creature has a role to play in this vibrant ecosystem. The Pampas is a testament to the beauty and complexity of nature, a place where life thrives in harmony. Let's leave the grasslands and go east, where the landscape transforms dramatically. Here, the scenery changes completely, revealing a world teeming with life and vibrant greenery. This is the giant Atlantic forest, or Mata Atlantica, which once stretched along the entire coast of Brazil, covering vast areas with its dense foliage. Although it has shrunk significantly over the years due to deforestation and urbanization, it remains one of the most biodiverse regions on the planet. Among its many wonders, you'll find the majestic araucaria trees, towering high with their unique umbrella-like branches. These ancient trees can live for over 1,000 years, providing shelter and sustenance to a myriad of wildlife. Look closely and you'll spot colorful toucans with their strikingly large beaks, and playful monkeys swinging effortlessly through the canopy. The Atlantic forest is a symphony of life, buzzing with the sounds of countless insects, birds and other creatures. But this forest is not just a haven for wildlife. It plays a crucial role in the environment for another reason. Acting like a giant water tank, the Atlantic forest captures and stores rainwater, ensuring a steady supply of water to the surrounding areas. This vital function supports not only the forest's own ecosystem, but also the human communities that depend on its resources. Conservation efforts are essential to preserve this natural treasure. The forest floor is a world of its own, teeming with diverse plant life and insects that play critical roles in the ecosystem. Scientists and researchers are constantly discovering new species and learning more about the intricate web of life that exists here. Local communities are also playing their part, engaging in sustainable practices and reforestation efforts to help restore and protect the forest. Educational programs are teaching the next generation about the importance of the Atlantic forest, fostering a sense of stewardship and responsibility. As the sun rises over the Atlantic forest, it illuminates a landscape that is not only beautiful but vital to our planet's health. Every creature, from the smallest insect to the largest mammal, plays a role in this delicate balance of life. The vast expanse of greenery is a reminder of the forest's grandeur and the importance of preserving it for future generations. By exploring and appreciating the forest, we can better understand its value and the need to protect it. Conservation signs and protected areas are crucial in safeguarding this treasure trove of life. The Atlantic forest is more than just a forest, it's a vital ecosystem that supports countless forms of life. We must cherish and protect it, not just for the animals, but for everyone. Now get ready for something amazing, Iguacu Falls. Here, the Iguacu River drops down 275 waterfalls, making a huge wall of water over 2 miles wide. The sound is so loud, it shows you how powerful nature is, but the area around the falls is even more amazing. There's a lush rainforest, kept green by the water from the falls. Jaguars, the mysterious big cats of the Americas, hunt here, and colorful butterflies fly everywhere. Iguacu Falls is like a dream. It's a place where water and rocks create something so beautiful you'll never forget it. Let's leave the loud Iguacu Falls and go north to the Serra Gaucha. It's a place with hills, valleys, and a European feel. You can see the influence of Italian and German people in the buildings, the food, and even how people live. There are vineyards on the hills making some of the best wine in Brazil. Towns like Gramado and Canela look like they're from a fairy tale with cute houses and old streets. And guess what? It snows here. Yes, snow in Brazil. In the winter, the Serra Gaucha becomes a winter wonderland. It's pretty surprising to see snow in a warm country like Brazil. Let's go to the coast where the rivers and lagoons meet the ocean. Lagoa dos Patos, a giant lagoon, is full of fish and birds. You'll see pink flamingos standing in the shallow water and fishermen trying to catch fish. Further south, the coast has beaches, cliffs, and calm bays. The ocean here is full of life, like dolphins and whales. Isla de São Francisco do Sul, with its old fort and pretty town, protects the bay. It reminds us of the area's history with the sea. This is a place where the tides control everything, a place where the land and the sea become one. Rio Grande do Sul has so many different plants and animals. This region is a treasure trove of biodiversity, home to countless species that thrive in its unique ecosystems. From the dense forests to the sprawling wetlands, every corner of this area is teeming with life. The flora and fauna here are not just beautiful to look at, they play crucial roles in maintaining the ecological balance. The vibrant colors of the flowers, the melodious songs of the birds, and the rustling of leaves in the wind all contribute to the symphony of nature that defines Rio Grande do Sul. But all of this is in danger, not just from people, but also from climate change. Human activities like deforestation, urbanization, and pollution are taking a heavy toll on these natural habitats. Trees are being cut down at an alarming rate, leading to loss of habitat for many species. Climate change is exacerbating these problems, causing shifts in weather patterns that disrupt the delicate balance of these ecosystems. Rising temperatures, changing rainfall patterns, and extreme weather events are all contributing to the degradation of these natural areas. If we don't take action now, we risk losing these precious ecosystems forever. That's why we need to protect the wild places. Conservation efforts are more important than ever. By setting aside protected areas, we can ensure that these ecosystems remain intact for future generations. These conserved areas serve as refuges for wildlife, allowing species to thrive without the threat of human interference. They also act as natural laboratories, where scientists can study the intricate web of life and develop strategies to preserve it. Protecting these areas is not just about saving individual species, it's about maintaining the health of the entire planet. Special areas like Restinga de Jurubatiba, a big lagoon system, and Fernando de Noronha Marine Park, an island group, are super important. These places are biodiversity hotspots, home to a wide variety of species that can't be found anywhere else. The Restinga de Jurubatiba lagoon system, with its unique mix of freshwater and saltwater habitats, supports a diverse array of plant and animal life. Fernando de Noronha, with its crystal-clear waters and vibrant coral reefs, is a haven for marine life. Protecting these areas is crucial for preserving the unique biodiversity they harbor. These protected areas are safe homes for lots of animals like sea turtles and rare birds. Sea turtles, for example, rely on protected beaches to lay their eggs. Without these safe nesting sites, their populations would be at risk. Rare birds, too, find sanctuary in these protected areas, where they can breed and raise their young without the threat of habitat destruction. These areas provide the space and resources that wildlife need to survive and thrive. By protecting these habitats, we're giving these species a fighting chance. They're also like outdoor labs, where scientists can study nature and learn how to protect it better. Researchers conduct fieldwork in these areas, gathering data on everything from plant growth to animal behavior. This research is essential for understanding how ecosystems function and how they respond to changes. By studying these natural laboratories, scientists can develop more effective conservation strategies and find ways to mitigate the impacts of climate change. The knowledge gained from this research is invaluable for guiding conservation efforts and ensuring the long-term survival of these ecosystems. The future of Rio Grande do Sul depends on us protecting these special places. The natural beauty of this region is a source of pride and inspiration for its residents. It's also a vital resource for the local economy, attracting tourists from around the world who come to experience its stunning landscapes and diverse wildlife. By protecting these areas, we are not only preserving the natural heritage of Rio Grande do Sul, but also supporting the well-being of its people. The health of these ecosystems is directly linked to the health of the communities that depend on them. We need to make sure that everyone can enjoy its beauty in the future. This means taking action now to protect these natural areas from threats like deforestation and climate change. It also means promoting sustainable practices that allow people to enjoy these areas without harming them. By working together, we can ensure that the natural beauty of Rio Grande do Sul is preserved for future generations to enjoy. Let's be the guardians of biodiversity and take responsibility for the protection of these precious ecosystems. Rio Grande do Sul has it all: plains, mountains, forests, lakes and coastline. From the huge pampas to the amazing Iguacu Falls, from the European-style Serra Gaúcha to the beautiful beaches and lagoons, this place shows you how amazing South America is. Whether you like exploring grasslands or hiking in forests, there's something for everyone. Have you ever thought about visiting? What part of its nature are you most interested in?